Proceed to Bay 3. Unload at the conveyor. Clear the lane. Everything looks green across the board.
Levels are optimal. We are ready for the concentration stage.
Check the viscosity on screen 3. Reading steady at 200 centipoise. Flow rate is optimal. Check the glucose flow rate on batch 3. Reading steady at 150 kilograms, ready for transfer.
The temperature is holding steady at 25 Celsius.
Good. Maintain the flow rate at 150. The current flow rate matches the strawberry profile exactly. Good. Maintain this setting as we approach the color stream.
Weight check on the last batch.
All within tolerance, Supervisor.
Check lane 3, the throughput dipped right here.
Right. Yeah, I see that. Might be a sensor alignment issue. Lane 1 is holding steady, but we had 2 rejects on lane 4 in the last hour.
Noted. Keep monitoring the weight variation closely.
Batch M45 confirmed. Quantity matches the order. Clear for loading.
Marshmallow shipment 4 kilo. You are cleared for departure lane 3. Have a safe trip.
Yes, confirming the Marshmallow shipment. Case 7B is ready for slot 4. Continue straight through the intersection. The delivery entrance is on your right.
Keep it coming straight back. All right, hold it right there.
Okay, scanning the marshmallows now. Looks like we got the full count on the digital order.
Okay, these marshmallows are scanned in.
Great, make sure you rotate the stock, first in, first out. I'll take this batch up front now.